What up, people? I got y'all right here on the 4 hourly, and this is how it's about to go. After we made this drop, we made our first attempt to the 50. We're making our second attempt now, so the third attempt we could break through. It is very possible we come up here and hit this 100 EMA on this 4 hourly chart, which will be around $1,200 by the time we get there. As y'all can see, it should be a spike up to get up to this close of the candle. So once that happens, like I say, around $1,200, we should be getting reversed after we hit this 100 EMA. We shouldn't be seeing this thing skyrocketing all the way up here to the 200 EMA. And that, you know what I'm saying, around $1,400. I don't see that happening at all. Even if they try to play games, they won't do that far. That's too much manipulation. But anyways, y'all can see we still have a steady uptrend up here, right? But like once again, like I said, we're gonna come up here around $1,200, and that's gonna hit this 50 EMA also on a daily chart. And as y'all can see from the previous, I'll show y'all the next time frame. It looks much better. But anyways, we're gonna come up here and we're gonna get rejected again. And we may come do it one more time. We may come down, bounce off the 20, then get rejected one more time on the 50. However they feel like doing. But clearly you see they've been staying in the same zone. So if anybody been going long, you probably ain't getting no money. You haven't made any profit on what you had. So you only can really day trade or weekly trade, however, you know what I'm saying, whatever coin you have going. But things like this, you know what I'm saying, the larger coins that really shows what the whole market is doing, you're not going to really have any money. Because technically we stayed in the same zone right here. Since June, we've been in this same zone. And it's been started off wide, and now getting smaller and smaller. So you definitely ain't make no money in any longs anytime recently. Because technically we've been dropping since April of 2022. That first steep drop, and now we're about to actually have another one. As we see, we finally below the 100 EMA, which we have never been. But we're getting rejected by this 20 EMA again. And like I said, we could do it again. But I mean, long story short, our next support level is right here at $780. Oh yeah, excuse me. Back to this. This was the previous, basically you see this is a base zone, this was support level / resistance. That's why this line stayed right here, but it broke back through the beginning of the candlestick. You know, boom, got rejected by 100, came back down, and now it's getting rejected by the exact same line. So we will not be coming past $1,350, no matter what. How they want to play it, it's not going past that. But I already said, you know what I'm saying, I believe around $1,200, which would be the spike up we get, that's going to happen before we get a reversal back down here to around $780. Show you the larger picture in the monthly though, since we in a new month, a new year, new everything. So you already know they're about to start really making moves. You see the bottom of this candlestick right here, which is also the top of this, around $1,100. That's when that nasty candlestick is going to start, because it's going to have to break through this support level / resistance level. So it's going to start right here, and at the very least, it's going to end down here around $460 for this 1 month candle. But the thing is, we should come all the way down here, recover all the candlesticks. And that's all the way down here, around $133. But I'm going to say $125, but where I have it right here to keep it simple. $125 is my projected low of ETH. Because they always come back and recover the candlesticks. And this right here is proof. Look at this candlestick. We was on the way up, right? Clear as day, on the way up. We spiked up all the way right here, base with a purple line at. All the way up there around $450, right? And we came all the way back down to $12 in the same month. Y'all see it right here with your own eyes. This is how I'm trying to explain to you. They always come back to recover all the candlesticks. And it came back down here because it's recovering. These already been recovered basically from this drop right here. They made their money back. And you can see the spike up. They made their money back from these two candlesticks. So basically it came down and recovered these candlesticks that had, you know what I'm saying, that had leftover money on the table. So they're going to do the same thing. And like I said, that final move though, whenever this does happen, we're going to tap 125. But we have to close above this yellow line where I have this thing coming down at, which is $320. So I'm just saying, if you ever thought about going long, I'd probably wait till it's $125. And then it will skyrocket to over $300 quickly. I'm talking about within the same week, could be within the same day. But it has to close above that in the monthly candle in order to keep this pattern valid. Because y'all clearly see the M. Y'all clearly see the W. And y'all clearly see we're in the retracement to start the next level up. And that's what's happening. I had the chart like this for I don't know how long now, all year long. And y'all clearly see that it is playing out because it's how they do the charts. You can read these charts, and that's why I'm here trying to teach you how to. Because I doubt they spent all this time since what? November of 2017 to create a pattern that they're going to invalidate after all those years. That will make no sense. But if you create the charts, I mean, you can see it clear as day. But anyways, like I said, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all growing, y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.